DUIs. Let's talk about them. Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by just talking a little bit about DUI, what's the standard, and what to do if you're in that situation. So, obviously, the law is you cannot be in possession of, control of, actual physical use of, or driving a motor vehicle while under the influence of intoxicating substances such as drugs and alcohol. So I've said this a million and one times, and I'm going to keep saying it until I'm blue in the face. Just don't drive under the influence. That's the easiest way to get around it. I mean, my office charges a minimum of $2,000 for these types of cases, and Uber is much cheaper. But let's say you're in a situation where, unfortunately, you're behind the wheel, you're not sure what to do. So, first and foremost, you definitely want to comply with the whichever officer is stopping you. If it's the sheriff, local PD, highway patrol, it doesn't matter. If you're pulled over, make sure that you're being appropriate. Second thing is, if you're going to be doing the field sobriety test, give it a shot. Obviously, understand if you choose not to do the field sobriety test, or if you choose not to do the blood test, the state can infer that to mean that you are under the influence, and they can just go ahead and book you from there. I'm not saying whether or not you should try to take the field sobriety test and win or not. I'm just saying, just understand, anytime you refuse anything like that, it could come back and just be taken as an automatic admission of guilt in those situations. The last thing I'm going to say is, be very aware of what's happening when you're getting booked into the jail, and also when you come out, because these cases, they have more of an impact than just upon your freedom. If this is a situation where you are arrested for DUI and you get booked out and they're not releasing your license back to you, you're probably looking at your license getting suspended also. So that's a whole separate deal that we would need to be able to discuss with you to figure out what we need to do. Do we need to get with the Department of Public Safety? Do we need to work on getting an interlock device put in your car so that you can stay mobile? There's a lot of different considerations that go into play in these types of cases. And it's a lot and a lot and a lot of just work and time and hassle. I mean, if you're arrested for DUI and we're looking at trying to get you some sort of a deal that maybe keeps it off your record, or certainly keeps you out of jail, you're looking at hours of classes and seminars that you have to sit through, and fines that you have to pay. Guys, it is so much easier to just not get behind the wheel if you're going to be drinking, or if you're going to be using any kind of intoxicating substance. If you're in this situation, though, and you need help, call us. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.